Hello everyone, I am Levent and I will talk about my project which is smart parking system with full system using RFID and Arduino UNO. There are contents, introduction, materials, how does it work, preparing and uploading code, advantages and disadvantages, and conclusion. Introduction. Arduino projects are an important material that is used abundantly when it's desired to design something. I also wanted to use Arduino and RFID technology in my project. After the use of RFID technology, our life has accelerated a lot. With this technology, people can easily pay their payments contactless without having to deal with cash. It's an important problem that people leave their vehicles on the side of the road and cause traffic. My goal in this project is to provide people with ease of payment and reliability, and to get people to pull their cars to parking lots. Materials. Arduino. Arduino is an Arduino board with an 80 mega 328 microcontroller. It can be said that Arduino is the most widely used board. Arduino brings us great advantages. And you can see the image with Arduino Uno. Arduino has 14 digital inputs and output pins. 6 of them can be used PWM outputs. It also have 6 analog inputs there are, and USB connection, power jack, and ATM 328 microcontroller. MFRC 522 RFID reader. The RFID reader card is a low-power, small-sized card that can read and write on text operating at 13.56 MHz, which is the NFC frequency. It has a communication speed of 424 kilobytes per second. It supports different function types of RFID. A servo motor, IR sensor, buzzer. There are other materials of my project. I will use the servo motor as gate's duty. IR sensor, infrared sensor, it's a sensor that is generally used to detect obstacles or follow lines. Buzzer is an equipment used to produce sound in Arduino circuits. We can see the buzzer in many places that give us a warning in daily life. The buzzer. And how does it work? Firstly, I used Tinkercad, but since some materials were not available, I downloaded the FreeSync application and used it. First, I provide the connection between Arduino and RFID. You can see here. Then I added my servo motor buzzer and servo motor. Then finally I added IR sensor. I am also thinking of adding LCD and keyboard in the future. And preparing and uploading code. I upload libraries of the materials I use the Arduino. I developed my codes with the knowledge I learned and help of the internet. The code section became of the places I had to deal with after designing the project. Advantages and disadvantages. This project will provide speed and convenience. I think it will encourage people to park their cars. Traffic will decrease as people will their vehicles to the parking lot. Disadvantages, they will only need to buy a one-time card. Conclusion. I developed the project live. This is for the problems caused by traffic and vehicles left on the side on the road. I think I will develop it further by adding something even this spring and term. I tried to take advantage of Arduino Uno and RFID technology in my project. In this project, I wanted to use this technology in parking system as I mentioned in my project. With this technology, people will be more comfortable while using the parking lot and will make their payment without contacting anyone. And that's all. Thanks for listening.